tried to do is have them target onto a window. Same thing with the sponges. It's just like the painting motion that they would do if they were painting. So we just told them to paint and then tell them wash. Just change the behavior.
Pacific is doing a great job.